Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning off your HVAC at the breaker to avoid electrical issues. Confirm the system uses 24V power and check for a C wire. If no C wire exists, consider a Nest power connector or professional help. Remove the old thermostat carefully. Take a clear photo of all wire connections before you disconnect anything. Label each wire with the included stickers to match terminals later. Keep the old thermostat and screws in case you need them. Fit the Nest base to the wall and route the labeled wires through the center hole. Connect each labeled wire to its matching terminal on the Nest base securely. Use the built-in level and tighten the screws to hold the base in place. Restore power at the breaker so the Nest can boot and detect wiring. The Nest will begin charging and display a welcome screen within minutes. Allow the Nest to charge for about 20 minutes before you proceed with the app setup. Open the Google Home app and tap Add to include a new device in your home. Follow the prompts to scan the Nest code and connect it to your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Name the thermostat for its room and set a basic schedule of temperature ranges. Test heating and cooling by raising and lowering the temperature and run each system for about 3 minutes. Wait for any firmware updates to finish before relying on automation features. Enable energy saver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.